Good morning. My name is Anthony Angelidis, and today we are going to talk about the intersection of VR and AR technology with storytelling. Is revolutionizing how stories are told and experiences. This blend of immersive environments, interactivity, and advanced visualization techniques opens up new possibilities for narrative innovation, offering storytellers a rich and more like engaging way to explore and create stories. Here we have some of the popular virtual reality and augmented reality technologies that is available today and how they are being used in storytelling. So let's see the utilization in storytelling. VR creates full immersive environments where users can explore detailed worlds. For example, the climb bike ride allows users to experience rock climbing in various locations, blending adventure with storytelling. VR places users in the protagonist's shoes. Notes on blindness into darkness is a VR experience that simulates the world of a blind person, deeply immersing users in the narrative through sensory storytelling. VR is used to create empathy by putting users in the experiences of others. Cloud Over Sidra is a VR documentary that takes users into a Syrian refugee camp, providing providing a powerful immersive perspective on the lives of refugees. AR overlays digital elements onto the physical world. Pokemon Go, everyone knows Pokemon Go, integrates characters and gameplay into a real-world location, creating a unique blend of physical and digital storytelling. AR brings static content to life, transforming traditional books into interactive experiences. Wonderscope is an AR application that turns children's stories into interactive adventures. AR provides contextual and interactive learning experiences. Jigspace allows users to explore 3D models and animations of historical artifacts, scientific concepts, and more, providing an engaging educational narrative. Transformation. The way stories are told and experiences has truly been transformed. Virtual reality and augmented reality technologies have significantly transformed storytelling by enhancing immersion, interactivity, and engagement. VR creates full immersive environments, allowing users to experience stories as if they were inside the narrative world. It depends emotional connection and engagement. VR and AR enable users to interact with the story, making choices that influence the narrative directions and outcome. And emotional engagement. VR evoke strong emotional responses by placing users directly in the narrative, making experiences more impactful. Here are some examples of success storytelling projects that have leveraged VR and AR technologies and what makes them compelling. A unique blend of live theater and interactive VR gameplay allows users to explore a surreal world and experiences live performances from actors. Compelling elements, live interaction, immersive environment. And the AR game that overlays the magical world of Harry Potter onto the real world, allowing users to find magical creatures, cast spells, and solve mysteries. Compelling elements: immersive storytelling, real-world exploration, and community engagement. Virtual reality and augmented reality technologies offer unique narrative possibilities and challenges, of course. These technologies open new avenues for storytelling, but also present distinct obstacles that creators must navigate. VR and AR technologies offer transformative possibilities for storytelling, enabling immersive, interactive, and deeply engaging narratives. However, creators must navigate technical design and ethical challenges to fully realize their potential. To fully realize their potential. By addressing these challenges, the future of VR and AR storytelling holds immense promise for creating rich, dynamic, and personalized narrative experiences. Virtual and augmented reality technologies enhance the immersion and engagement of audience in storytelling experiences in several impactful ways. The technologies significantly enhance the immersion and engagement of audience in storytelling experiences by providing deep sensory immersion, interactive and adaptive narratives, and blending digital elements with the physical world, of course. These technologies transform traditional storytelling into dynamic, multisensory experiences that engage users on multiple levels, making the stories more impactful and memorable. There are notable differences in the storytelling approaches used in VR and AR, and these differences significantly impact narrative delivery. VR allows highly complex and layered narratives within a controlled environment. Users can explore detailed virtual worlds at their own pace, but ensuring they follow the intended narrative path can be challenging. AR delivers narratives in a way that enhances the physical environment, often in smaller, more distinguishable segments. This can create ongoing engagement, but may struggle to deliver deep, continuous narrative without disrupting the real-world context. VR and AR each offer a unique storytelling approaches that significantly impact narrative delivery. VR excels in creating deeply immersive, interactive, and emotionally engaging experiences with full virtual environments. AR, on the other hand, enhances real-world interactions with digital layers, making stories more immediate, relevant, and accessible. Both technologies offer powerful tools for storytellers but require different design consideration to effectively engage and immersive their audience. Popular VR and AR platforms and devices have significantly influenced the creation and distribution of immersive storytelling content in various ways. Here are some key aspects influence on content creation. VR and AR platforms offer new creative tools and environments for storytelling, allowing them to build more interactive and immersive narratives. This ability to place the audience within the story provides a unique, engaging experience that traditional media cannot offer. For instance, platforms like Oculus Rift and HTC Vive offer development tools that enable creators to build complex virtual worlds and interactive narratives. The development kits and platforms provided by companies such as Unity and Unreal Engine have democratized the creation process. These tools are accessible to both independent developers and large studios, fostering a diverse range of immersive content. According to Unity Technologies, their engine is used by 6% of all augmented reality and virtual reality content creators. Immersive storytelling in VR and AR requires different techniques compared to traditional media. Storytelling have to consider 360-degree environments, interactive elements, and the user's presence within the narrative. This has led to the evolution of new narrative forms and genres. The potential future developments and trends in VR and AR technology poised to shape the future of storytelling, including the advancements in hardware, software, content creations, and user experiences. VR headsets are expected to become lighter, more comfortable, and more affordable. Integrating eye tracking and hand tracking technologies allows for more natural and intuitive interactions, enhancing the storytelling experiences. AI and machine learning can personalize and adapt stories in real time, creating unique and dynamic narrative experiences based on our interactions. Tools like Unity ML Agents Toolkit will be used to create more intelligent and responsive virtual characters and environments. The future of VR and AR storytelling will likely include more social and collaborative experiences, where multiple users can interact within the same virtual space. The use of virtual and AR technologies in storytelling does raise several ethical considerations and concerns. Let's see some of them. The immersive nature of VR and AR can create intense emotional and psychological experiences. These can be both positive and negative, of course, and potentially leading to psychological distress or trauma, particularly in horror or war-themed stories. Also, the line between reality and fiction can blur, leading to potential issues in how individuals perceive real-world events after experiences a highly immersive VR or AR story. Often, collect substantial amounts of personal data, including biometric informations, location data, and behavior patterns. This raises concerns about data privacy and potential for misuse. VR and AR can be used to create highly persuasive content which can be employed for manipulating purposes, including propaganda, of course, or based storytelling that influences users' perceptions and beliefs. Potential addiction. The engaging of nature of VR and AR can lead to excessive use, potential resulting in addiction and associated negative impacts on mental and physical health. Accessibility in VR and AR storytelling is significant concern, as these technologies often require specialized hardware and can present various physical, cognitive, and economic barriers. From one hand, we have some barriers like devices can be expensive. Users with limited mobility may find challenging to use VR and AR devices. And the interfaces of VR and AR systems can be complex and may not be intuitive for all users. Internet connectivity and hardware capability, of course. And from the other hand, we have to follow some steps to improve the accessibility of the technologies, like developing more affordable VR and AR devices, design controllers and input devices that can be used people by people with limited mobility, design user-friendly interfaces that are easy to navigate and understand, and of course offline options and cross-platform compatibility for technical purpose. Collaboration. Virtual and AR technologies offer unique capabilities that transforms traditional storytelling into collaborative and participatory experiences. They provide opportunities for user-generated content, enable users to become active participants in storytelling process. Here's how these technologies facilitate collaboration and participation along with the opportunities they present. First of all, enable collaboration and participation with immersive environments like shared virtual spaces and AR collaborative layers. Second, on interactive storytelling, we have branching narrative and interactive elements, such as solving puzzles or making decisions that affect the narrative flow. To the other side, opportunities for user-generated content like content creation platforms with user-friendly tools for collaborative creations. Second, customizable stories, worlds in sandbox environments and modding communities can significantly expand the content available for VR and AR applications. Third, social media integration with content sharing and collaborative storytelling projects, where users contribute different parts of story or different perspectives within a shared narrative framework. The intersection of popular VR and AR technology within storytelling represents a new frontier in narrative experiences. These technologies offer immersive, interactive, and collaborative opportunities that transform how stories are told and experienced. As the technology continues to evolve, so too will the ways in which we create and consume stories, leading to richer and more engaging narrative landscapes. Here you can see the reference that I have found for this presentation, also this. Thanks a lot for your time, and if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact me. Bye bye.